Hey y'all, it's your girl Alisia.B and welcome back to another video that I have for you guys today. In today's video, I'll be doing a 2-strand mini twist with extensions because I want my hair to be protected while I am in school. And you guys, this is how long my hair is, okay? I washed it, I treated it, deep conditioned, blew it out, and this is what I got. And I'm super excited because I want to see how long my hair gets at the end of 2023. So if you guys are interested on my hair journey, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button down below. And without further ado, darlings, let's get into this mini 2-strand twist hairstyle. Okay, so we're starting off with combing out our hair, or combing out my hair rather. I don't have a mirror, so I'm literally doing free parting. Like, this is the definition of free part. But you know what, I know my head like the back of my hand, obviously, so I know exactly how to part my hair. At this point, I'm pretty used to it and no problems. So the parting came out pretty good, and you guys will see how it looks later on in the video. But right now, I'm just making my hair easier to do by parting it. I should have pre-parted it first, but you know what, this was like 11:30 at night and I really had to get my hair done because I had work the next day. So I'm like, you know what, let's just do this hairstyle. This hairstyle literally only took me like 4.5 hours max. It's not a long hairstyle at all, which I really love about the 2-strand twist. It's really short and simple and it lasts a very long time. So now I'm going in with the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Smoothie. You guys, I got this from Walmart for like $10. And again, I tell you guys, if you guys want expensive hair products, go to, not Walmart, Winners. Winners always has them for the low, so that's my tip for you guys. I got this for $10, and if you were to go to Walmart or like another beauty supply store, they have this for like double the price. So I'm like, you know what, it's cheap, let me try it out. And I kid you guys not, I've been using this product ever since, and this is probably month like 4 or 5 I've been on this product. I love it and it smells so good. It's so amazing. It keeps my hair nice and moisturized, and I think because I have naturally fine hair, this product is actually making my hair feel a little bit more thicker. And yeah, I've just been using it ever since. Alright, so we are starting this hairstyle off. We are using the Cuban twist here. I think it's by Equal. I will put a picture of it up on the top, but I always like to start my twists with braids because I have this phobia that my hair is just gonna fall out when I put it in ponytails and stuff. So to make me have peace of mind and to make sure that I know that the hair is secure, I always start off with braids and then I ended off with twists. So the way I do this is the exact same way I do it as if I was putting in braids, and I do have a video on it as well. So if you guys have not seen that video, I'll put it up on the card so you guys can just click it and see how I do single braids. But it's actually the exact same way I started off, but then I always make sure that I end it off with the twists, and I do kind of like a rope twist, so like a twist and turn method. You guys will actually see it throughout the video, and this is how it turns out. I actually wanted it to be a little bit shorter, so I did buy the 12-inch, but it still ended up being longer than I wanted it to be, which was fine because I ended up curling it anyway at the end, and it brought it to the length that I actually wanted, so it worked out all at the end. But yeah, this is my first braid, guys, at like 11:45 at night, and we'll see how this goes. So you guys know I love doing a good length check, and my hair, like I said, I'm just so proud of myself because when I first moved here, my hair was breaking off like crazy, and I had to find a way to make sure I maintain and retain the length that I've had and maintain the moisture, and I finally found what works for me, and my hair is thriving right now. So it's going back to how it used to be, and it's growing, and that's all I care about, okay? You know I like health over length. A little bit of length ain't bad either, okay? But yeah, we are starting to get our hair in, and as I'm braiding my hair, I realized that my natural hair is literally like 2 or 3 inches shorter than the braids, so it worked out either way. So it is about 150 at this point, and I've done the half, I think it's half of my head or the back. Yeah, so I've done half of my head, and you guys look at that parting. Like, you guys, for not having a mirror, that part is pretty good, okay? And the hair looks really good, and it is not heavy at all. It is super light and I love it, and that's the reason why I love doing 2-strand twists, because they are like tension free, okay? Basically tension free, and it lasts such a long time, and it mimics the actual texture of my natural hair, which I love as well. So now you guys are seeing me starting the front, and I always say this, for every hairstyle, the front is the first part of the hair that people see. So you want to make sure that the lines are straight, everything is crisp, and take your time doing the front. So you see me, I am pre-parting the front to make sure the lines are straight again and the parting matches, and you guys are going to see me do that for this half, and then I start to braid. So definitely pre-part the front of your hair, because number one, you want it to be neat. Number two, you want to go fast, okay? Because you're almost done, you're so close to finish, and sometimes when you leave the front part for last and you're really tired out from doing the back, it looks sloppy. So when you pre-part your hair, it helps the sloppiness go away. It helps you keep the front of your hair nice and neat, and that's what I did. So yeah, I'm just putting in the braids, basically nothing special. I'm doing the same method I've been doing from the back of my hair to the front, and yeah, should I get this done? Okay, so I am finally done that side. It looks so good, looks so neat, and you guys, it's so light, it feels like nothing's on my head, to be honest with you guys. So now I'm just gonna start doing the other side. I think it's about, yeah, 2:45 at this point. I'm so tired. And just like that, we're on the last row, you guys. But what I like to do for the first 2 rows, or the middle 2 rows, sorry, is I want to make sure that it is symmetrical. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that as well. Basically, whatever I did on the left side, I'm doing it on the right side as well. Make sure the lines meet up, make sure the hair is braided in the same directions. That way it just looks much neater and looks put together and more uniformed. So I'm going to show you guys how I achieved that, and then we are almost done. So like I said in the beginning of this video, I like to braid my hair first before I twist it, and I'm showing you guys exactly how I do that. So I split my hair and I split the braids in half to make 3 strands, and then I start to braid just as if I was braiding my natural hair. You want to be careful with this braids because this is natural hair, like it's nappy hair, so it could get tangled really easily. So just make sure that it is not tangled, and then you just braid it, and then once you've done a couple braids, you just begin to twist the hair. And I do it, like I said, in a twist and twirl motion, sorry, like a rope twist, and I just do that until I'm done the braid, and that's literally all I do. Alright, so I'll show you guys how I do it again. So you want to make sure that you hold the braids right in the center. You split your hair, you split the braids to create the 3 strands, and then you braid it down at least 3 or 4 times just to make sure that the extensions are secured onto your head. And once you feel like it is secured, you just twist it. You could do it with the rope twist. You don't have to do rope twist. I just prefer the way it looks. And then you're literally done the braid. It's such an easy hairstyle. Beginners could do it, you could do it, anyone could do it. And that's literally all it is. So we are done with this hairstyle. Finally, I am super tired, as you guys can see on my face, but I just want to show you guys how much of, like, there's basically no tension in this hairstyle. I'm maneuvering it up, down, side to side, and I feel no pain, and I love that. But it's 3:49. I'm going to bed, and I'm going to show you guys how I curl my ends the next day. So what you want to do is you want to start off with using your favorite oils and oiling your scalp. This will give you like a mini hot oil treatment, I guess, from the steam that you use to curl your ends. So I love using the Jackie's avocado and grapeseed oil, and I just basically put that all around my scalp, make sure that my scalp is moisturized, and I just massage it in, and it feels so good, especially since I just got my hair done. It feels amazing. And then afterwards, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put in the flexi rods. I use flexi rods because they're longer, and just because this hair is thick hair, I need more surface area, so the flexi rods just do the job for me. So I'm taking a section of the hair, and I'm gonna show you guys how I wrap it. I do wrap it in a twist and twirl motion, so it's not a flat twist. It's just a basically twirl and turn motion. Sorry guys, I'm not gonna explain it, but I'm definitely gonna show you guys what I mean. So as you guys can see, I'm twirling my hair as I am putting it on the rod. That way it gets a curl rather than a wave, and that's exactly what you want. Unless you want to wave, then you do it in a flat motion, but if you don't want to wave and want to curl, make sure you twist your hand and you wrap the hair around the flexi rod, and that's how it looks. So again, you see I'm twirling it and I'm wrapping it at the same time. So that gives it the curl rather than a wave, and make sure that it is even on both sides. Like wherever your hair stopped on the left side, it's going to stop on the right side. So while you're doing that, you could just have your water boiling, and you want to be very careful because obviously it's boiling water, it could scald you, but you just put it in a container that is big enough to hold your braids in. This is my hair container, so I don't use it for food or anything, so it works for me. And you guys can see that I am dipping my hair in the hot water, and you want to make sure that everything is dipped in order for your hair to come out curled. And this is what I mean by having like the steam penetrating your hair, because you have the oils in your scalp already. Your cuticles are going to open up because of the steam, and the oils are going to penetrate your hair shaft. So that's what you want. So that's why I say moisturize your hair before you do the hot water. That way all that nutrients actually get into your scalp and your hair. So this is me dipping my hair in, and make sure you have a towel on deck, okay, to catch your hair, so that way it doesn't burn you and you don't make a mess. And that's literally all it is. Okay, so now we're taking out the flexi rods. You want to make sure that you take it out with the curl and not against the curl, because you want the curl to be maintained and you don't want to ruin it. So keep it with the curl pattern, and it's going to turn out really nice, you guys. I love the way it looked. It made my hair look more full, and I definitely got the length that I wanted initially, and this is how it looks. So after separating the curls, this is how the hair looks. I love how it looks. The length is perfect. The curls are good. I love the way my hair looks. It looks healthy. It looks shiny. The color I just love. And just to show you guys, there's no tension. I put it up in a ponytail, and I love this hairstyle. It just works for me. So if you're new, thank you guys so much for watching this video, and if you do like this hairstyle, please don't forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. It's such a great protective hairstyle, and it looks super cute, and it's so light. I love it. Again, thank you guys for watching. I love you, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.